Introducing the all-new automatic pop-up toaster. If you prefer to live simply, to embrace elegance yet a minimalist lifestyle, and to live more sustainably, having a kitchen with functional and minimal appliances allows you to focus on the important things in life and prevent cluttered surfaces and spaces. Today, many of us love the simple lifestyle, but it doesn't come without a few challenges. The need for more space. Making the most of every square inch is important. Our solution lies in more compact, advanced, and efficient appliances. Reinventing the automatic pop-up toaster with improved functionality, form, and aesthetic. Think high-end kitchen with our sleek, upscale, and modern design. The automatic pop-up toaster not only useful but also sized perfectly for small spaces that fits seamlessly in any empty space within your kitchen cabinets, shelves, or on the countertop. When it comes to small spaces, it's a game changer. Loaded with Bluetooth wireless technology, available for both Android and iOS. Constructed with a rugged metal frame, minimalist, durable outer shell made of ceramic shield and stainless steel. Supported by an easy-to-use app, easy to connect to your smart home, offers over 10 browning settings, you're sure to get your toast how you like it. With a size smaller than a coffee table book, the automatic pop-up toaster comes in a range of color options, with 5 new color hues to suit your personal style and your kitchen space. It's true, good things come in small packages.